Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Oberlo. Oberlo is a dropshipping platform that connects entrepreneurs with suppliers. Located at www.oberlo.com, it streamlines the process of finding products to sell online, importing them into your e-commerce store, and managing orders. Oberlo integrates seamlessly with Shopify, making it a popular choice for those using that platform. The platform boasts a vast product catalog spanning various niches, from fashion and electronics to home decor and beauty products. This extensive selection empowers entrepreneurs to curate a diverse and appealing product offering for their target audience. Using Oberlo simplifies several key aspects of dropshipping. Product sourcing, traditionally a time-consuming task, becomes significantly easier with Oberlo's curated supplier network and extensive search functionality. Order fulfillment is also automated, with Oberlo handling the forwarding of order details to your chosen supplier. This eliminates the need for manual order processing, freeing up valuable time and resources. Oberlo offers several pricing tiers to cater to businesses of different sizes. From the starter plan suitable for beginners to more advanced options for established businesses, there's a plan designed to meet specific needs and budgets. Each plan includes a different set of features, such as product limits and order processing capabilities. The user-friendly interface makes navigating the platform intuitive, even for those new to dropshipping. Oberlo also provides helpful resources, such as tutorials and FAQs, to guide users through the process of setting up their dropshipping business. While Oberlo is primarily known for its Shopify integration, it's important to note that its functionality is specifically designed for use with that platform. If you're using a different e-commerce platform, Oberlo might not be the right solution for you. Overall, Oberlo presents a valuable tool for entrepreneurs looking to venture into dropshipping, specifically those utilizing Shopify. Its extensive product catalog, automated order fulfillment, and user-friendly interface contribute to a streamlined and efficient dropshipping experience. By simplifying the complexities of sourcing, fulfilling orders, and managing inventory, Oberlo empowers entrepreneurs to focus on building their brand and growing their online business. Be sure to check the link in the description for more information.